Few years back when I was working, I was waiting in a bank. So I had a cash check, so I want to withdraw some cash, so I was waiting in the bank. And when I was waiting in the bank, I saw a very beautiful woman coming towards me. She gave me her visiting card, and she told me, "You call me whenever you are free." Now I was wondering why a woman should come to me, a pretty woman should come to me and give her visiting card and tell me to call her. Now that bank, I was not alone. There were around 20 or 25 or 30 people around me. I was wondering why she has to give to me, specifically to me. Okay. Now, what would I have done? You think about that. Or if you were that person, if a pretty woman comes to you and gives her visiting card and tells you to call her, what would you have done? Okay, that is the question now. Now, why am I saying this now? Because there is a correlation between the market and the incident. Now, what I did, I will tell you in the later part of this video, but I'm promising you there is a relation between what we did, what I did, and what the market is doing to us now. Okay. Now, if you see the markets, I don't know how to explain the markets. Markets is rallying more than 400, more than 450 points, I think. Yeah, more than 400 points. It gapped up, then rallied around 400 or 350 points. Now, if you have seen our previous video or yesterday's video, we were anticipating that the markets were kind of going to retrace. Now, we didn't expect this kind of movement in just one single trading session, right? Now, I expected maybe market will retrace 200 or 300 points, and even I told that that this technical analysts were saying that all the indicators are showing oversold. So there was possibility that the market could revert or could reverse. Now, even though we expected the market to reverse, but we didn't expect a 400 or 450 point run in a single trading session. And these are very, very pathetic days. I could remember back in 2015 or 2014, Nifty wouldn't even make 400 points move in 1 month or even just say 1 week. So one day Nifty is moving more than 450 point. I think only major thing which took the Nifty to upside is because of positive global cues. See, as I talk to you, all the US market is firmly in the green. US futures are firmly in the green, and even European markets are firmly in the green. But what the thing is that when our market closed, Dow Jones was more than I think 400 or 450 points. Now it is slightly down around 300 or 385 points. So that is the thing you have to consider. So this is the US future, Dow, S&P futures, Nasdaq future, everything is in the green around 1 or 1.5%, and we really don't know what is the story, why market has gone. Now what I expect, that is the one thing. And the second thing is LIC IPO. In spite of such a big IPO, LIC was listed today, and in fact it closed negative today, around 15 or 10 or 15%, not 10 or 15. So LIC IPO was trading in negative, and only stock, I think Reliance was trading more than 3.5%. And even HDFC Bank was trading firmly in the green. So all the stocks were kind of green, right? So gainers were more than losers. So it was a pretty good market, but I don't think this whatever happened today is just a trap or just to fool people or just to fool retailers. Now, why am I saying that? Because I don't see any big positive news for the market to react so much. This is perfect. This is called overreaction. right? Because even the US market, see, US market, US futures also, even if it is trading in the green, it's not more than 1 or 1.5%, but in Nifty alone is moving more than 2 or 2.25%. So I think this is a kind of, I'm not, even now I'm bearish. If you ask me, this is the right time to buy stocks or any ETFs or Nifty Bs, I wouldn't suggest, because I think, or let me put it this way, I wouldn't be surprised if the market hits 16,000 tomorrow also, right? We are sitting at 16,250 levels. I will not be surprised even if the market hits 16,000 tomorrow. And if you see the this thing, things are, even in spite of all this happening, in spite of markets moving so violently on the upside, if you see FII data, even now FIIs have sold more than 2,192 crores, and DIAs have bought for around 2,294 crores. I think maybe some buying in LIC. If that was not there, maybe market would have gone down. And whenever you see, whenever FIIs sell, DIAs, maybe they will buy half the amount. Let's say, for example, if FIIs are selling for 3,000 crores, maybe DIAs would have bought for 1,500 crores or 2,000 crores. They will just try to compensate. They will not fully compensate. The reason why market has gone steadily today is because DIAs have bought more than what FIIs have sold. So that could be a reason why market has really gone up, right? So going forward, what I think is Nifty and Bank Nifty, both have rallied more than 1.5 or 2%, more than 2%. So today was a very exceptional day, and I don't think tomorrow, even if the US futures are, even when the US futures are trading firmly in the green, maybe we may gap up tomorrow, but I don't know if that gap up is going to sustain or not. So you let me know on the comment section. So everybody has a different view. My view is that, now my view yesterday was that market may retrace, but we never expected a Nifty retracing around 400 or 450 points, right? So if this had happened in 2 or 3 trading sessions, that would have been a very good, comfortable thing. But since it has happened in just one trading session, probably the market going on the upside is limited. So that's what I think. And coming back to our story, this is called honey trap, right? So if you are in the Middle East, or if you are a person who is working in the Middle East, there are lots of things happening like this. So people come to you, they employ Russians, that and this, Chinese, all these people, they come to you, they look very attractive, very white in color, they come to you and just give your card and their card, and they tell to call you. No, I never called. I know, because what is going to happen is they will lure you into something else which you shouldn't be doing, right? So this is called honey trap. And what is this? This has to do with our stock market. See, whatever price action today is called honey trap. Whatever price action today, whatever you saw markets going towards 16,200, 250, these things are called honey trap. Now FIIs are clearly trapping you in the upper side. Now you may go long. Once you go long, maybe they will take the market towards 16,500. I am talking about Nifty. Then they will hit the sell button. They will sell more than what they did before. So when they sell, they are going to sell it very, very hard. So make sure, or just wait for some time. Don't get into this thing, and don't think market has reversed and market may go on the upside. Whatever you have seen today is a perfect trap or honey trap. Of course, there is no nobody sending any beautiful woman to you to make them believe that things are good, but it is a perfect trap to trap the retailers. Just wait for some time, get bullish if the market moves beyond maybe what is that, maybe 17,000 or 16,800. So that is the correct area to go long. As of now, don't go long. We are also short in the market. I also have return call options aggressively for maybe day after tomorrow's expiry. So let's see how things span out. My stance is that this is a very, very clear trap, and I am not going to go long in the market. Instead, I am going to short the market. Let us see if I am going to win or if I am going to lose in the coming days. Right? Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.